Google Ads is doing a promotional campaign for new users only, and they do this every year, but this year it seems to be a little different than before, because now they give you 3 different offers, whereas they used to only give you 1. Now they still doing the 500 for 500, in which case you spend $500 in a campaign, and then they'll give you $500 in ad credits to spend after you spend the first $500. They also are giving an offer for if you spend $1,000, they'll give you $750 in ad credit. And then a third option, if you spend $1,500, they'll give you $1,000 in ad credit. It sounds well and good. It's for new users only, unfortunately. The way Google qualifies you as a new user is if you have had your first impression within the last 14 days, then you are a new user and you can use one of these promotional options. So there you go. As far as any way to get around that, as far as an existing user, you really don't have a way to get around it. You'd have to make a brand new Google account in order for you to be able to use these offers. That might be worth it to you, it might not, it really depends. But regardless, you have 60 days to spend whichever amount that you want to go for. You have to spend that amount within the 60 days. And then once you do that, Google will let you know you have successfully gotten the promotional credit. And then you'll receive that credit in your account within 35 days. Once you receive the credit, you'll have 60 days to spend your ad credit. One thing about this is that I've noticed is that it depends on whose account it is, because the ad credit might actually change it up. So not only have I seen it be $500, $750 and then $1,000 worth of ad credit offered, I've also seen $500, $1,000 and $1,500 offered. And then I've also seen $1,000, $1,500 and $2,500 offered as 3 available options. I have no idea why those options are different with different Google accounts. Yeah, it would suck if you just wanted to do the $500 and then they only give you an option for $1,000. So if you are planning on using this, hopefully the option that you want is actually there. And yeah, with all those things being said, I don't think there's any other requirements that I left out. One requirement is it's while supplies last, like supplies would ever run out in this particular situation. But that's what they said. And you have to be in good standing. The only way you can get out of good standing, I think, of your account is if you did something crazy with the terms of service. But really, other than not having a valid credit card set up is probably the only real reason that you would have to worry about. I am an existing user, so I actually wouldn't be able to go through the process with you to show this off. So that's unfortunate, because I really would rather do that, but it is what it is for right now. It's an easy process. I've done it before. It's an easy process, and you'll know once you've applied up there. All you have to do is go on the website, press claim now. You choose whichever one you want. Once you do all that, you're good to go. You should be able to see any promotions that you currently have by going to billing, and then you should have a tab that says promotions on it. You should be able to see it there. So yeah, with all those things being said, hopefully this video helps you out. Let me know in the comment section if you decide that you want to try out Google Ads. And yeah, let me know which one you decided to go for. Did you go for the 500? Did you go for the $1,000 ad credit? Yeah, let me know in the comment section as well. And I'll see y'all in the next video. If this video helped you out, make sure that you press the like button so YouTube know that this was a good video. Also subscribe if you haven't yet. And with all those things being said, I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.